Let's go over how to use the TB. You can't apply the TB to an already created project, so register the TB first. First, I will create a new TB in the list. I have added a TB name and a short description. You can go to More Options to edit or delete the TB information. Now we need to set up the language pair. I will set the source language to English and the target language to Korean. It's added. Now we can enter terms. There are two methods: file upload and direct input. First, direct input method, you can simply enter terms like this. It's registered. Now let's look at the file upload method. You can register terms using a document file. I will click this button to download the template. Let's enter the terms in the Excel template and upload the file. You can add up to 3,000 words. Now, let's look at how to use the TM. Registering works the same way as with the TB. With the TM list created, set the language pair. There are two ways to register sentences. Using the direct input method, you can enter sentences manually. You can also include the source if needed. For the file upload method, let's upload an Excel file. You can add up to 3,000 sentences at a time. Now, let's see how TB and TM are applied in an actual project. You can select any of the three types. For now, we'll choose a document type. Upload the document to be translated, choose the target language, and set the project name and timeline. Finally, select the registered TB and TM. When you open the generated project, you'll see that the sentences have been translated based on the registered TM and TB. You can easily add new terms to the TB by dragging and right-clicking. It also suggests similar sentences based on the registered TM. When the project is completed, all sentences are automatically registered in the TM, allowing for continuous use.